Hey YouTube, I was watching Corey's vlog on a bike the other day and I thought to myself, hey, I can do one of those. Show some people out there the fantastic city that I live in. And then I thought, well, I don't actually have a bike. To ride a bike in London, you need to be a special sort of crazy. Come to think of it, Corey, if you're watching, you probably fit right in. We even ride on the same side of the road as you. Anyway, I'm going to show you around London a little. This is sunny Bethnal Green, the area of London where I live. It's about a mile out of the city with a capital C, so it's pretty much in the centre of everything. It's a really diverse area. People from all over the world live here. I love it. One of the really good things is you can eat food from just about any country on the planet within a 10-minute walk of home. This is Old Spitalfields Market, just a few minutes walk up the road. Loads of interesting stuff goes on here. We're in Jack the Ripper country now. The 10 bells here, some of you may recognise if you've ever seen the film From Hell. They rebuilt it on a Hollywood film set for the movie. It's also a good place for a lazy Saturday afternoon with friends. And this is Brick Lane and the Old Truman Brewery. Loads of trendy bars, coffee shops, restaurants, some fantastic art exhibitions. Oh, and of course a 24-hour bagel bakery, which comes in really handy when you get an attack of the midnight munchies. This is Charlie's in Globe Road, my favourite local bar. So, what goes on here then? Well, yeah, that about sums it up. Now, it being the 5th of November the other night, Guy Fawkes night, a few of us decided to go down to Victoria Park to watch the firework display. However, some poor misguided Tower Hamlets council official obviously decided it was a good idea to do this.
Who cares? It's fire. Look, they're burning.
Moments later, the crowd was attacked by 350 traumatised squirrels. There were horrible injuries.
We use the toilets for 30p.
Right. Which goes to show, if you want to poop in London, you've got to be prepared to pay the price. Anyway, that's my first video blog. See you chaps.